Hey guys, just another day of quarantine. A few months ago we figured out how to make homemade Disney ears. You can see this was the first pair I made. These are my favorite because they're marble and they're reversible. And then these are the last pair I've made, Star Wars. And we made a few, but then we kind of ran out of time to keep making them. But we have a ton of materials and stuff that we wanted to use to make more. So we decided with our extra time from quarantine that we're gonna make some, and I thought it'd be a good idea to show you guys how to do it so you can do it at home. So I'm gonna show you. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some cardboard. We have templates for how you can cut it out in the description, but you'll need some sheets of cardboard that you can cut out, and you'll obviously need scissors to cut it out and pencil to trace the templates. You'll need fabric for the ear, fabric for a bow, or you can use ribbon, but today I'm going to use some fabric for it, but I'll show you how to make both bows. And you also need small ribbon to go around the edge of the ear. You need a headband, hot glue, and stuffing. Before we start, kids, make sure you have a parent with you to help. And also, kids and adults, try not to burn yourself with hot glue. It can hurt. What we want to do to start the ears is first you need to trace the cardboard template 4 separate times on sheets of sturdy cardboard. Then you cut all 4 of them out. I personally use cut up Amazon boxes that we have left over from things that are shipped to our house. It's very nice cardboard and it works really well. After that, you use the fabric template to cut 4 pieces of fabric out. Make sure on your template you have the open space in the middle, because whatever part of the pattern is in that open space will be the middle of your ear. You also need to make sure that you leave some extra space at the bottom of each piece that you cut. When picking out fabric, make sure that the pattern is small enough to be able to be seen on the ear. I like to take the little fabric template with me to the store so I can see what will be seen and what won't be on the fabric that I choose. Next, place one of the pieces of fabric underneath one of the pieces of cardboard. Make sure the design is facing away from the cardboard. Hot glue the edges of the fabric around the cardboard, except at the bottom. It will make a kind of pocket. Don't pull it too tight around, leave some room inside. Do the same with each of the 4 pairs of cardboard and fabric. Then, stuff each pocket and glue the bottom fabric to the cardboard to seal the stuffing inside. Make sure the cardboard does not bend. Once all 4 pieces are stuffed and sealed, glue 2 of them together. Make sure you get it secure all around, right up to the edges. Do the same with your other 2 pieces. Now, take thin ribbon or string and glue it around the edges to hide the seam. Then, take a pair of ears if you have them and mark on your headband where those ears are placed. If you don't have ears, just put the earpieces on without glue to figure out where you want them. Attach the ears to the headband with glue. Now it's time to make the bow. Cut an 8 by 10 inch rectangle out of your bow fabric and cut a smaller rectangle of fabric to save for later. Fold the 10-inch sides to the middle and glue them down with small dots of glue. Then, fold the other sides in about 2 inches each to make the strip about 6 inches long. Glue them down a little bit too. Then, fold that piece into thirds to create the shape of the bow. Glue in between each fold just a little bit in the center to hold the shape. Then, take the extra strip of fabric and fold the long sides into the middle and glue them down a little bit to hide the cuts. Then, wrap that fabric around the bow and glue it down. Then, glue on the bottom of the bow and stick it to the headband. Hold it tight for a minute while the glue dries. I'm now going to show you how to make a bow out of ribbon. Cut 2 pieces of ribbon double the length you want your bow to be. Make a circle out of a piece and glue the edges together. Do the same with the other piece. Squish the middle of the ribbon pieces and put one on top of the other. Glue them together. Cut another piece of ribbon and wrap it around the center, and glue it on. There you go. This is the finished product. I hope you guys try it at home. I like these a lot. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed just a little bit of Main Street magic. Bye.